You won't believe it, 40% of the Indian population is below 18. And that is where we are going. Leadership hiring is very, very different. It's not about कि यार आपको top of the funnel नहीं मिलेगा. It's more about first of all obviously finding the right guys. It's like marrying. मतलब
Yeah,
डेटिंग से भी ज्यादा मुश्किल है. मतलब डेटिंग
बहुत
भी शायद
ज्यादा.
आसान होगा. तो तो
Welcome back to yet another episode of Badass Banias. Today we have Kush from FamPay, a founder who's creating a very, very quirky product for teenagers, who's gained a lot of traction in the last few months. They've hit 2 million users already, if I'm not wrong, Kush. Right?
we're closing
So,
3.
oh wow, that's super. So let's hear his story and what he has to add on about FamPay and his journey till now. Over to you, Push.
Hi guys, hi everyone. I'm Kush. I'm the co-founder. FamPay is India's first neobank for teenagers. Uh, what we're trying to do is we basically are on a mission to make banking more fun. We have a very fresh approach. Our debit card is numberless, more Instagrammable, more attractive, and we also give a UPI to kids. We help them save money as well. They can send money to their friends very easily. There are a bunch of other things which we do, experiment and learn from our users. We are empowering 480 million users of India. You won't believe it, 40% of the Indian population is below 18. And that is where we are going. This is an infinite tap. And if you look closely, there was no one building for them. Everyone was building for adults. Everyone was building products, solutions, services, and they were trying to make money as well as solve problems. But
Right.
we just ignored this audience. And whenever
Correct.
we talk about the next billion, we always talk here tier two, tier three audience. Hai. Even I went to ShareChat. I saw that. I have seen those users, and I really appreciate what we are doing for them. But what I feel is that the future lies, and the next billion lies in the youngsters. They are the future. They will set up the trends. What we'll make for them is going to last for 20 years, 30 years. And we learn from them every single day. They consider mobile apps, these things as a way of life. Like for us
Right.
millennials or anyone, we just see all these apps as utility products. For us, it's just it's just does a
काम हो
job.
जाना चाहिए. Correct.
Exactly. But for kids, it's emotion. It's more
Hmm.
like way of life. They relate to the brands, they relate to the product. So we think that there's a great potential to create a higher impact, as well as create a product which can set up trends, can actually focus on the future, and we can reinvent the wheel. That is where we lie on. And kids are obviously very much fun. Their approach to expectation from a product is very, very different than a millennial, and we love building for them.
That's really superb. And one of the things that I loved was banking made fun. Banking, when I hear the word banking, it's boring for
Yeah.
me, right? वो लंबी लंबी lines, and especially if you have a public sector bank, वो lines में खड़े रहो SBI के बाहर, and all of that,
Yeah.
baggage that we have with banking,
Yeah.
taking that space and taking that challenge of making it fun, because you need to make it fun for the kind of audience that you're catering to.
Yeah.
That's absolutely there. Gen Z को instant gratification नहीं दिया और सुंदर product नहीं दिया, they're not interested, right? And I think they've been spoiled also because of their early maybe exposure to uh, platforms like Instagram, which is beautiful. Platforms like maybe a Netflix or a Clubhouse, these are beautiful platforms, right? So they are used to that kind of a beauty. But absolutely, yeah, 480 million users, it's a huge market, right?
Infinite tab. It's an infinite tab.
Correct. I'll use that term now, I think. But yeah, but what was that, aha kind of a moment that yes, ye ek identify kiya, right? And now we want to build this, because right now it feels like हाँ चल पता था hit हो गया, click हो गया, 3 million users भी आ गए. But then how was that 0 to 100 users वाला journey like for you? And then what was your why of doing this?
For sure. So it will take me a little bit time because I'll tell you the journey. It's not one event. There are a lot of dots which we can connect today looking back. But starting with why and then moving to the journey, let's do that. Yeah, simply for us, like just answering the why of why we started. I believe this what the framework we used to follow while taking such critical decisions in life. Naturally, me and some of my co-founder both were very philosophical, very deep, and we used to question things a lot. And what we realized was that we should achieve a stage where when you ask why, rather you should ask back why not. And we have no single answer for why not, and that is where absolute magic happens, where there's no reason not to do it. There are 100 excuses, 100 reasons to not do things, right? But for this there was no single reason which was the only factor that we should go ahead. Coming down to the journey, I think there were multiple dots which I can connect, which led us to here. It was back in the days, not very old. I'm just 2 years old from college, so I wouldn't say कि बहुत साल हो गए. But back in the days of college, it was December 2018, and it was our I think second last semester, and that is when placement season kicks in and everyone just starts preparing for all that competitive and
Hmm.
just preparing for jobs, interviews, and all that. So it
Right.
was December 2018, and ऐसे day zero, day one, day two सब होते हैं placement season में IT रुड़की में. And I was clear that I don't want to go for a job, simply because I had no reason not to do a startup, and I wanted to explore
Right.
different problem statements. And whereas my co-founder Sambhav was looking for early stage startups, he was
Hmm.
looking to create that level of impact and work with early stage companies. Because in the past in college, we both have been working with early stage startups. We have worked with startups, so we know what kind of impact they create, what kind of culture they have, and we vibe with them. We really vibe with startups, and we were like, हम दोनों को जाना तो वही है.
Right.
The only difference was that I wanted to start and he wanted to join a startup. So hota kya tha कि we used to sit together. I used some what habit I used to follow at that time was I used to come up with 5 to 10 ideas every single day. So I used to absorb a lot of problems, आसपास सब देखता था, and used to share it with all my friends and hear their opinion, what they think about it. Is it a great business model or not? Will it work? Will users take it or not? And all that. एंड संभव मेरे पास आता था कंपनीज लेके कि यार ये कंपनी कैसी है, ये स्टार्टअप कैसा है, तुझे क्या लगता है ये अच्छा कर रहे हैं क्या. And we used to just talk, and slowly what happened, he also started coming up with ideas and problem statements, and we started brainstorming together on different
Hmm.
ideas just because we loved it. And it was not कि क्या करेंगे क्या नहीं, but it was more like we were enjoying the process. And at the same time, what was happening was like almost all of our friends were preparing for placements, and we were helping them. So what we, while helping them, what we understood was that okay, they are not questioning, why they are going for a job or which job
Hmm.
they are choosing. And this is, I'm talking about IT Roorkee students who have a lot of exposure, who are,
Right.
at the top, and they can actually take that risk. They have that, ability. तो what we observed was यार कि ऑलमोस्ट सब फ्रेंड्स ने 4 साल अलग अलग चीजें करी. किसी ने एक्चुअली स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया, किसी ने डांस किया, किसी ने ड्रामेटिक्स में बहुत ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड किया. समवन लव्स रिसर्च, राइट. लाइक उन सबको तो वो ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे कि उनका पैशन क्या है. दे आर
Hmm.
जस्ट लर्निंग कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग just to get a job, because for them survival is a big question. Like when we ask them कि यार boss,
Right.
like why are you doing this, why don't you go for dramatics full time and वहां पे मचाओ, like do great in that.
Right.
And they were like yaar, if I don't get a job, how would I survive, how would I earn money. And what we realize is that money is a big bottleneck to take the right decisions, like in
Right.
there. And I'm talking about 22 साल के लोग, 22-23 साल के लोग जो they have seen so much, their habits are already built, and their decision making was very it's not structured. And चलो ठीक है,
Right.
पैसे की बात है तो it's understandable, and for some time you have to figure out your survival. The other question was they were not worried कि इस कंपनी में जाएंगे क्या काम
Hmm.
करेंगे. Like other than money, there was no factor deciding. एंड
Right.
विच वी वर लाइक, वो बोलते थे हमारी लाइफ सॉर्ट हो जाएगी अगर मेरी यहाँ जॉब लग जाए, और हम दोनों को होता था यार लाइफ कैसे सॉर्ट हो जाएगी अगर तुम्हें पता नहीं लग रहा है कि एग्जैक्टली तुम कहाँ जा
Right.
रहे हो, क्या करोगे, 2 साल गवा दोगे या 1 साल गवा दोगे अपनी लाइफ के, एंड देन यू विल रियलाइज. So this started making us question a lot on why people do this, and if IITians are doing it, what about the other part of the India? And one thing led to another, because money was the bottleneck and survival was the only question. We understood कि ये यहाँ शुरू नहीं हुआ, ये बचपन से चल रहा है. The root cause lies in the childhood. It doesn't lie here. I can obviously ask Elon Musk, Warren Buffett कि इन सबका एक लेक्चर ले लो और इन सबको पूरा समझा दो, तब भी ये प्रैक्टिकली सीखेंगे. ये they'll do it and then they'll after 2 years they'll see यार क्या करना है, एंड वो भी कोई लोग नहीं करते. तो हम बच्चों के मार्केट पे आ गए, हमें समझ आ गया कि रूट कॉज बच्चों में है, वहां पे सॉल्व करते हैं. हम बड़े ऐसे एक्साइटमेंट में बच्चों के पास गए, हमने सोचा हम कोर्स बनाते हैं, फाइनेंशियल कोर्स, एंड वील एजुकेट देम अबाउट फाइनेंसेस, वील एजुकेट देम अबाउट डिसीजन मेकिंग, एंड they'll buy it. And turns out when we start, so we came to Bangalore just to do this because Roorkee was not a place where we could actually understand the market behavior. So we came to Bangalore, we figured out an internship just for survival again. But it was only for a month, and वहाँ पे we started talking to kids in shopping malls and various areas. जहाँ जहाँ पे हमें बच्चे मिलते थे हम उनके पास चले जाते थे, उनके पेरेंट्स से बात करते थे. तो उनसे बात करके हमें यही समझ आया यार कि they don't care, they don't want financial education, they need it but they don't want it. उनको चाहिए नहीं है. वहां पे हमें want versus need का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आया, and we understood कि यार मार्केट को वो देना है जो उसको अभी he wants it, like जो need है we'll fulfill it, but जो उसको अभी जो want है वो हमें पूरी करनी चाहिए. And we started just talking to them, and the golden insight we got was that yeah, they don't have access to digital payments. They were dependent on parents. They were literally waiting for 6 hours just to get a OTP from dad. They were dependent on them so much that they badly wanted a bank account, they badly wanted a card. And जब हम उनको बताते थे ना that you will get your own card, तो वहां पे एक aha moment दिखता था कि यार ये चाहिए मेरे को. मतलब ऐसा होता था कि हमने अगर 10 बच्चों से बात किया ना तो 4 दिन बाद वो पूछते थे आके कि भैया आप आए थे, आपने बोला था कार्ड मिलेगा, कार्ड कहाँ पे है. So there was a clear pull from the audience that they want a card of their own. And if you think deeply, it signifies freedom for them. It signifies the upgrade they will have in their life when they get a card. It's very emotional. It's a life-changing event for them.
Correct.
And we realized, this is the opportunity. We capitalized on it when we thought this is the hook to the market. If we give them a card, we not only have an opportunity to grow, we do not only have the opportunity to, target this market, we can also create a higher impact if we actually hook them. And then slowly, we can educate. And दूसरा concept ये भी था यार कि हमें समझ आ गया था कि you were also saying initially, right, कि financial concepts are so complicated, banking सुनते सारे से boring लगता है. तो हमें ये भी समझ आ गया था कि आजकल के बच्चे किताबों से या कोर्सेज से तो नहीं पढ़ेंगे. लाइक कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो वो नहीं करेंगे वो चीज. They wanted practical, and the only way to teach them is, make them do it. It's like if you want to learn how to drive a car, you can read books, you can watch videos, but until you drive a car, you won't understand.
Absolutely
Same
right.
is the concept.
Experiential learning is the way that you learn. Any human learns. बच्चा हो चाहे बड़े होने के बाद भी, with experience comes learning. It is book पढ़ के नहीं आ सकती है वो learning जब तक apply नहीं करोगे इसको. Absolutely.
So we understood that, it needs to be practical, and it has a great opportunity to make a business, to make it more fun, to actually, own the market as well as grow with them. Like multiple possibilities हमें चमकने लगी तब उस time पे. फिर parent भी आ रहा है साथ में, parent के लिए भी कुछ बना सकते हैं. So we were like, this is the best thing we can do. We were so much into it that we never realized that all this research, all these conversations led one thing to another, and we ourselves are been following Y Combinator since long. Like हम college में the only way to learn about entrepreneurship was Y Combinator, and I used to read about Y Combinator. So it was like चलो ठीक है एक बार try कर लेते हैं, apply करके देख लेते हैं हो जाएगा. Because तब ऐसा लगता था यार YC तो लोग experienced entrepreneurs को लेता होगा, 4 year 5 year experiences and
average age देखो तो 28 साल 30 साल रहता है.
हाँ तो अपन कॉलेज के बच्चे थे तो हमें लगा था यार कहाँ ही होगा, बट चलो ठीक है ट्राई करके देख लेते हैं, मे बी कुछ हो जाए या फिर एटलीस्ट सीख ही लेंगे how to actually apply and all that. We enjoyed the application form so much that the questions they ask, they're beautiful. The questions they ask are amazing, and that made us question a lot of things in terms of how we strategize and how we actually acquire. And then we applied, and they selected us. There was an interview. We went. You won't believe college का BTP मुझे postpone करना पड़ा था just for the interview because it was almost the same date. And that was the last day. And the other day, we got the news that we went to YC. So it was crazy.
Wow.
We literally jumped, and we were like, this is the thing. And this convinced us more that this problem statement has great potential, and the way we are doing it is also right. So we just did it, and uske baad YC hua, and then we started working on it.
Superb, yeah. So absolutely, two things from the YC wala crowd that I hear a lot is, and I have gone through that also. वो बस application भरने वाला process, and it's superb. जो thought clarity आती है, and the kind of brainstorming that you do with your team, with your founders, co-founders, it's absolutely amazing.
Crazy, yeah.
And then absolutely, as you rightly said, वो जो confidence आता है उसके बाद, यार ठीक है, maybe we are on the right path. We just need to now keep executing on this path.
Yeah.
Both of these things are very common with all of the YC folks. So I recommend this to every startup कि भाई मत apply करो, but form तो भर दो.
Form भर लो, exactly.
वो बहुत अच्छा thinking process.
आप मानोगे नहीं, कुछ founders fundraise कर लेते हैं बिना YC के, क्योंकि seed round कोई और कर देता है. मैं फिर भी बोलता हूँ कि फॉर्म तो पक्का भरो. मतलब तुम बस आंसर्स लिख दो, it will help you. मतलब पैसा आ गया, सब कुछ हो गया, fundraise हो गया, but if you actually want to reach PMF, you need to answer those questions.
Correct. And they are the right questions, and they hit hard if you haven't thought through. They hit really hard. कि यार इसके बारे में तो सोचा नहीं था, ये कैसे करेंगे? फिर आप बैठते हो, फिर rework कर. So yeah, absolutely. And your whole journey of finding that insight also. I don't see a lot of people doing that hard work before finding the solution. I usually see them कि अच्छा ये solution हो सकता है, build करते हैं, फिर हाँ launch करने जाते हैं. That user insight already obviously make some basic product पहले से, but then wait for that aha moment for your user. As you rightly said, कि वो बच्चे वापस आ रहे हैं, that I need that card यार. That is actually, I can imagine how it would have felt also, them coming back. And this is superb. So from there now, I would like you to tell us कि वो vision वहाँ से फिर कैसे shape up हुआ. You gave us a glimpse of it. You can go into a lot of parallel markets from where you started, obviously, and your population will also grow with you. ये 18 साल के बच्चे 20 साल के होंगे, पैसे कमाएंगे भी. So there will be a stickiness that comes from that. But what's your like 5-year, 10-year out vision that कि हाँ ये कुछ बना दिया है वो moment का, अगर if you've talked about it.
Yeah, if you ask me about the next 10 years, I think like if we'll be able to do it, obviously great. One thing I really desire deeply is that finance should be fun. It should be easier. It should not sound very boring. It should not sound very complicated. And I want that people should understand the value of it. It actually drives your life. Money drives your life, which people should clearly accept. And it's opposite. मतलब लोग money से डरते हैं. I don't know why.
Exactly यार, money and health के बिना आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो as humans. हेल्थ के बारे में स्कूल में बहुत कुछ सिखाया जाता है, फर्स्ट एड, ये वो, बायोलॉजी, साइंस लैब होती है, फाइनेंस लैब नहीं होता स्कूल में.
करेक्ट.
फाइनेंस को, पर्सनल फाइनेंस में तो पर्सनल तो एलिमेंट है ही नहीं, भूल ही जाओ उसको. एंड फाइनेंस को ऐसा देखा जाता है मैथमेटिक्स होगा, इकोनॉमिक्स होगा, कुछ टफ होगा या मतलब ओवरवेलमिंग होगा. इट शुडंट बी दैट वे. इट्स वेरी इट शुड बी वेरी इजी, एंड इट इज वेरी इजी.
Correct. So that is one thing I see. And the second thing, if we'll be together able to do it, I think the metric and the measurable thing we would be able to achieve is that there are numbers, right? If you look at it, what is the average age of investment in India? Like, what is the average age of population who invest? It might be 26, 25?
27 to 29.
27 to 28, right? Like, I'm still optimistic. But if we can reduce it to 19 or 18, that is, a moment where I can sit and relax and say, "Okay, boss, things have happened. People are actually more aware, and they have moved from understanding the concepts of spending and saving to investing, and they actually have understood the concept of money." I think that is where things will start changing, and the entire population in India, the generation will be different. Like, it will change everything if they deal with money the right way.
Absolutely. And if they start, as you rightly said, right, your friends going into that process of a job, for the sake of that higher ticket size salary, not thinking about their mental condition that will be there in that job, their satisfaction that will be that they'll be deriving out of it. That comes when you have a relationship with money, when you've handled money. If you haven't handled money at all, वो realization आएगी नहीं अगर आपको experience नहीं हुआ है. And absolutely true in the CA space as well. Like you have your own IITians, top two, three IITs में you have a lot of opportunity. वैसे CA all India ranks होते हैं जो भी 50 first 50, they have a lot of opportunity out there. I have seen not many of those chartered accountants going unconventional ways, not going for an FMCG that's paying maybe 30 lakhs a year, but going for a startup that's maybe paying 15 lakhs a year, 1.5. The experiential learning that you will get in 2 years, आपको MBA करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी लाइफ में.
Correct.
The growth is next level पे हो रहा होगा if that is what you want to do. And you won't need, you will add 5 years to your experience. And I heard this, there was this quote that Vishal Bhatia, the CEO at Swiggy, used to say कि it shouldn't be about, experience कितना है आपको, कितने साल का experience है, years of experience. It should be about experiences in those years.
Yeah.
Right now, you guys have raised a lot of money, right? From Elevation, etc. You've raised a lot of money. $38 million, if I'm not wrong. एक bottleneck अभी, which I can imagine could be your leadership hiring वाला thing, right? Could you give us some insight into this is one of the problems that you might be having, but क्या वो big ticket problems आती हैं when you are in that Series A kind of a stage?
For sure. See, in general, if I have to talk about hiring to start with, hiring, like if you ask me what is the most difficult thing you have done as an entrepreneur, what is the most challenging thing, I would say it's hiring. Getting the right people is the hardest, and if you get them, your life is so easy. I think people make or break the company. People are always P0. Everything comes second. And we have been prioritizing it from day zero. We got our friends on board just after
Right.
seed round and YC, because that was the only way out to actually do things and innovate and all. So that is what we did at that time. But since then, obviously, we have learned a lot in terms of how to hire, and we have done mistakes. We have learned from them, a lot of failures around it. But the ultimate thing is that people are P0 always. Coming to leadership hiring, it's a different beast here. And, I would say that we realized it a little later, that, it's crucial. Simply because, what happened was, जैसे YC हुआ, दोस्त आ गए हमारे, and we started building the product. We love building. We are, just out of college, तो हमें बस बनाने का शौक है. वो बहुत, जैसे आपने बोला ना, रिसर्च करे थे, तो हम बहुत ऐसे अपने आप को रोक के बैठे थे, यार अब बनाना है, So that was the time where we were like, अब 0 to 1 phase आ गया है. Now we, their YC is done. We have raised our seed round from Sequoia and all. Now is the time you build stuff for your users, and that magic starts. So we started building. It took us 6-7 months to convince a bank. There's another story to it, how we went live and all that. The moment we went live, we got users, and उस time में मैंने अपना खुद का support number डाला हुआ था. Like my phone number was the support number, and I again
I so relate to you right now.
I used to believe कि user को आके gate खटकाना चाहिए and problem बतानी चाहिए, तभी मजा आएगा. The pull should be there. I am not gonna push it, and there I should expect the pull. That was the goal, and slowly, a lot of calls started happening. And एक दिन तो मेरा phone ही नहीं, मतलब रुक ही नहीं रहा है, वो 24 hours बस बज ही रहा है. And obviously we changed the number later, but what I'm trying to say is that slowly we got to know a lot of problems. We were reactive to those problems. We built the support team. Fraud होने लग गया तो we built the risk team. We started understanding यार finance में fraud जैसी चीज होती है. We started valuing KYC as a concept. पहले मैं लगता था यार KYC क्यों कराते हो, onboarding funnel टूट रही है. But बाद में मैं समझ आया how important is KYC. So a lot of things happened, and we started building community team, support team, finance team, risk team. A lot of teams started happening, and from 6 to we started growing 30 plus team around November, and slowly we started scaling. Different problems पे react किया, तो हमें ये समझ आया यार कि culture को scale करना is very hard. Like you can scale products, you can scale users and everything, but scaling culture is hardest. And for us, DNA was very important. We were lean from day zero. Like, in fact, before seed round, there was only some of me and one of our friends, Ayush. I used to code, design, talk to banks, whatever it was required, we used to do that. So we were always lean from early on. That was our DNA, that was our culture. So started growing and seeing bunch of challenges there. Not in terms of that people were not able to perform or such, but it was more like we were becoming a bottleneck because everyone was dependent on us and we had the context, right? हमारी वजह से स्लो होने लग गया सब कुछ एंड वी अंडरस्टूड इट कि यार अपन इंसान है वी आर ह्यूमंस वी आर नॉट रोबोट्स we need to delegate and it's not about today it's about tomorrow as well you have to get ready for tomorrow and if you get anyone it takes time to give context you have to spend time you have to build values you have to build working styles and a lot of things happen around it so slowly we understood we need leaders we need mentors we need people who can actually own things and help us delegate and we were also not realizing here we were ourselves founders were shifting from product building to company building that was a phase and that is a phase even now which we are facing obviously 4 months ago leadership hiring was the biggest bottleneck now I'm glad to say that we are doing good in that. We have almost closed 5 leaders, and 2 more of them are also joining. So the team is almost ready. 1 or 2 hires are left, and if someone is interested, please join. Sorry, I'm not doing marketing, but yeah, we
Absolutely
whosoever
do it.
whosoever relates to this problem statement, please come on board. We are building this company together.
कौन सी positions है वो भी बता दो.
We are looking data analytics side, data science or data analytics. We are building a data team. We are hiring chief of staff, founder's office, and we are hiring an EA as well. EA is not a leadership role, but
It is a
highlighting because
critical role.
yeah, it's
Correct.
a critical role. These are the 3 ones which are open right now. But we have closed product design, we have closed engineering, we have closed legal, we have closed finance. So that's a great thing.
Right.
Learned a lot. It was another beast. Like leadership hiring is very different. It's not about कि यार आपको top of the funnel नहीं मिलेगा. It's more about convince. First of all, obviously finding the right guys. It's like marrying. मतलब डेटिंग
Yeah.
से भी ज्यादा मुश्किल है मतलब डेटिंग
बहुत
भी शायद
ज्यादा.
आसान होगा तो तो वो उस लेवल पे है एंड यू हैव टू मैरी 5 people imagine how difficult
Correct.
it is so it takes a lot of time it takes a lot of relationship building the skills you develop on the way you won't believe कुछ लोगों को तो 16 महीने लगे यार क्लोज होने में मतलब मैं I was
I
connected to
I've seen that journey. I've seen that journey. I can relate to you so much. And absolutely right. Yeah, cultures are not, you can't scale it. ऐसा एक दिन सोचा और scale कर दिया. Product तो चलो हो जाता है पैसा डाल के. But absolutely right. And you need those right folks. And then, as you rightly said, वो 5 अपना context लेके आ रहे हैं. And then उनको एक जगह पे मैच कराना, एक विजन के साथ मैच कराना, and then sync में काम कराना. That will be the toughest thing that
and
you
फिर
do.
उसके बाद फोड़ना भी है
Correct. Correct. Absolutely. At Swiggy, what we realized was that, having that one North Star metric really binds that team together, a metric that everybody aligns to. That, हाँ चलो, इसको drive करने का. So what's that North Star metric for you guys?
Sure, that's a good question. Nobody has asked me before, so I like to answer it. North Star metric is like oxygen. Yeah, it's literally oxygen for the company. Without it, it's so difficult to breathe. It's so difficult to run. And I'm talking about riding an F1, and it's more about being fast. So oxygen तो बहुत सारी चाहिए है ना. तो North Star metric changes with the face of the company. Initially, when we were very little, the North Star metric we had was number of users we had at that time because it was very early. Slowly we realized कि यार सिर्फ users से कुछ नहीं होगा. You want people who love you. And I remember this quote every single time by PG, the founder of IC. He used to say that don't get 1 million users who just like you. Get 100 who actually love you and who will do whatever it takes for you. So what we understood is कि यार जनता तो बहुत है इंडिया में लोग तो आ जाएंगे बट अपने को सही टारगेट ऑडियंस चाहिए and as it's very easy to attract adults at that time because we were adults we resonated with them and we had our network but getting kids were difficult and kids who love us was very difficult. So we changed the North Star metric which was pro users, the users who literally love us. And that definition was very harsh. It included every single thing you can imagine of. And that number was only 5 for the first month. It slowly started increasing to 20, then 25. It was in double digit for the first 3 months, but slowly it started increasing and it became thousands. And that day was a day where, you could say that this is PMF, market is there,
Correct.
there's a product market fit. And that number is still increasing. And I'm very glad to say that that is 25,000 today.
Superb.
So yeah, so that was the journey. And then obviously when you start scaling and when you reach that kind of a number where PMF is there, now it's more about a number which drives all the teams, and it is more directly visible. It is more directly can create an impact, and you can look at trends. So we chose, at least for now, it is MTUs, which is monthly transacting users. Simply because obviously larger impact is to create value, help them take better decisions for a long time. But
Right.
the most measurable one is that what do they do on the app, and the biggest value event is transaction. It could be a spend, it could be a saving. We don't say that you just shop with us and we want to make money. It's more
Right.
about you do something around money practically so that you can learn with it.
Correct.
So we track MTUs as a metric, which is North Star.
Superb, yeah, superb. And absolutely right. This is one of the insights that I keep debating with a lot of fintech founders. Here, user acquisition, especially for a finance product, is relatively easier. It's not very, very tough if you get 2 to 3 things right. Retention is where the real game is. It's usually true for every company, but यहाँ पे इस space में you have a huge base, right? You can acquire 480 million, I said maybe 200 million also, but retaining them, actually helping them use it for the use case that you want to create that value for, that becomes very, very tough. And absolutely right. If it is not a retention metric, then value creation, you would also not see that value creation. And as you rightly said about pro users also, I've seen a lot of startups now going to that. What is my P naught? I mean, the priority cohort कौन सा है मेरा? वो identify करते हैं. And I think data science, data analytics guys will help you do that even in a much better way if you already are using a lot of data analytics work. But yeah, वो cohorts निकाल के and then focusing on them, because at the end of the day these are the people who will be driving. They'll have higher LTV यार finance के perspective से देखें. अब CAC हायर भी होगा उनका तो भी LTV तो बहुत हाई है उनका, so they are meaningful customers for. I was just thinking, just interested to understand कि tell me if the data says something different, but I was thinking here इंडिया में कैश में कमाता है बहुत बड़ा एक पॉपुलेशन हमारा, उनके खुद के बैंक में वो पैसे नहीं भरते and they want their kids also spend in cash. So I'm thinking, is there a have you looked at that data where you see कि यार ये salaried वाला जो class है शायद वहीं से pull होके majority of your users are also coming in salaried class के kids or relatives or something like that. Yeah, is it true for in general there hasn't been such a trend? I mean मैं bullshit बोल सकता हूँ, but I was just thinking through कि यार ये whether this could be a valid contention.
No, it's a valid point. It's a good question. Correct. But interestingly, data proves us wrong. If I have to tell you, our demographic of the user base has a lot of tier 2, tier 3. It's a good split of tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. And, if I have to think about it and if I have to give you a logical reason around it, I think it's basically because kids are the more product savvy, tech savvy ones, even in tier 2, tier 3. In fact, in tier 2, tier 3, there are more use cases, for them to do online transactions. To give you an example, right now, it's not a time where, they just go on a shop and get a recharge. They do it themselves. They buy groceries for their parents. They are literally the CTOs of every household in India. And parents rely on them. And बच्चे जाके बोलते हैं कि मुझे फैम coins मिलेंगे, मुझे ये भी करने दो, मुझे ये बिल पे करने दो, मुझे गैस का बिल पे करने दो, and like that, right? So that those things happen, and उस वजह से what we have seen is that there is transaction, there is use case, and a more deeper reason is kids and teenagers especially they have a very deep interest of doing things which adults don't do. They want to
Hmm.
do fun things, they want to do interesting things,
Right.
they want to be in the future, they want to be the trendiest possible ever, right? And
Right.
I believe that, digital payments is very secure as well than
Right.
cash. Giving pocket money to a kid was very difficult at that time, and today it's very easy. It's much more secure. It looks cool, and that's why I think even tier 2, tier 3 cities, kids are doing online transactions.
Fun fact, I asked my dad actually that dad ये प्रोडक्ट है फैम पे, मैं छोटा होता क्या आप मुझे तब पॉकेट मनी देते अगर वो फैम पे प्रोडक्ट होता जहाँ पे आप ट्रैक कर सकते थे कि मैं कहाँ खर्च कर रहा हूँ. He was like, हाँ बिल्कुल मुझे भरोसा नहीं था कि तू कहाँ खर्च करेगा. So you saw me with trust also.
Yeah, of course,
I never
of
got
course.
pocket money. पापा को पता होता था अच्छा 30 रुपए लगेंगे रिक्शा से इधर जाने को 60 रुपए मिलते
It's
थे.
always on demand. It's on demand.
Correct, on demand. Superb, yeah, superb. One last question which we ask every guest is your take on financial independence. You are building kind of a personal finance product, उसमें ही embed finance space में deeply embedded. Your take on financial independence and personal finance and its real importance for the younger generation. Generation सारे generation के लिए important है. 73% अपना population financially illiterate है, but specifically for those youngsters, what's your take on it? And your personal also take on it. Anything that you want to add?
I'm sure you have figured out that I can speak 24 hours on that topic. That is where we, started, and that is what we believe in very deeply. That is what drives us and wakes up every single day. I think financial independence is like, I think the most important thing. वही end goal है ना यार. सब लोग वहीं तो जाना चाह रहे हैं. Everyone is, whatever they are doing, every decision they do is related to financial independence, is in that direction. And I think if the young generation, is gets more aware about, the concept of financial independence, the concept of finance, the concept of money, they will unlock like so many choices in their life they won't even believe. And I feel, it's more like, how do you value time? It's more about how do you
Yeah,
look at compounding. The early you understand, the greater you are giving yourself for the future, and the opportunity cost is very less. The risk is very less at a young age, and if you understand that, you can find a million ways to be successful. And I'm not saying being successful should be the goal, but what I'm saying is that dealing with money is the thing you should do. If you do it well, you solve 90% of your life problems just with that. And these are all things I'm saying based on some personal level. But what I've also realized in the past in life is that money follows a pattern. Yeah, matlab, it's very close to nature. Money is such a great thing which is very deep. If you value that well, if you deal with it well, in return you get so many results you won't even believe it. So
absolutely.
like I have multiple events in my life which has taught me the right way to deal with money. I obviously, personally, I'm also learning a lot every single day. And obviously, being grown up in Punjab and Ludhiana, it was different. I also was not investing early at that age,
Right.
right? uh, but that feeling of looking at money, that feeling of how to take the right decisions, and it's not about money decisions, it's about life. Yeah, the kind of
Exactly.
place you go, the job you go, the friends you pick, and वो automatically connect हो जाता है with
Yes.
money.
Correct.
Which I think, if you make a map, a equation, money would be there as a factor which will connect everything. So I think we should value independence a lot, and if you can play it like a game, nothing like it. So
Absolutely.
तो
Absolutely.
वो है.
दिल की बात कर ली कर दी.
Yeah, man. So yeah, financial independence is the thing we should look forward to.
Absolutely, यार. And I traveled 8,000 kilometers across India to figure out कि यार प्रॉब्लम है क्या ये एग्जैक्टली. आई मीन क्यों नहीं हुआ है. स्कूल को ब्लेम करना एंड एजुकेशन सिस्टम को ब्लेम करना इज वन थिंग. There are folks who have not had that schooling background and still have a good relationship with money. They understand the value of time, they understand the value of compounding and everything. So yeah, this was one thing that is absolutely a necessity and absolutely neglected. How मतलब वो digest नहीं होता है. And then One more thing that I am personally deeply passionate about is, women empowerment. And you can't really empower anybody, women, child, anybody, if they are not financially independent. They'll always be, sorry to use that word, but a second class citizen, right? Dependent on their male counterpart if they are not financially independent. That is the truth, as harsh as it may sound. And ये चीज अभी तक पता नहीं लोगों को grasp क्यों नहीं हुई है. That's what we are also trying to work towards. It was a pleasure having you. Any parting thoughts for folks who are just on the edge of that idea, just trying to think वो leap लेना चाहिए या नहीं लेना चाहिए? Any parting words for them?
Here, I would only say that. So I follow a simple principle in life, which is let curiosity lead your life. I think if you follow that, you will hit the deepest roots of yourself, and you will do wonders in life, and you'll live life. You'll live in the present. Of course, there are other principles and values you should look forward to, but never let your curiosity stop you, and
Right.
follow that. And at the same time, keep asking questions, because that is where curiosity also starts, where you start questioning. And
Absolutely.
if you start questioning, if you start asking why, if you ask the right questions, the answers are there, and you start unlocking levels. Life becomes a game, and I
Absolutely.
think nobody will be able to stop you for whatever you want. You'll also enjoy it. It doesn't matter where you reach, but it's more about the journey. It's more about life is a journey. So I think
Absolutely.
just be curious. That's what I'll say.
You just narrated three of our values at Read On. One, be passionately curious. Two, always ask why. And three, fall in love with the process, urgency in efforts, patience in results. These are three documented values that we have. I'm not kidding.
Amazing. Nice.
Sure. On that note, guys, thanks for listening in. It was a super fun conversation. I loved it. And let's wish Kush all the very best. Thanks, Kush.
Thanks. Thank you, Shanti.
Stay.
Thank you.